Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahilladzi faddala bani Adam bil ilmi wal amal ala jami'il alam. Let's all take this moment to be praised to Allah, who has given us the blessing and mercy, so that with blessing and mercy we could be here. So that with blessing and mercy we could meet each other in this great place and in this great moment. Wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil arabi wal ajam wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ya nabi'ul ulumi wal hikam. We send blessing and salutation to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who removed us from the darkness to bring us to the lightness, who had implement happiness to pious people and had implement sadness in subordinate people. Amma ba, my brother, my sister. First of all, before I go into strike my point, I would like to give my first respect. First of all, my first honor to Walid and his family. May Allah always protect them. My second respect is to all of my teacher here. And the final one is to all of my brother and my sister who has come here to take part of this great event. My brother and my sister. Well, in this lovely morning, I gonna give you the farewell speech. I'm one of students from the 6th grade who is going to talk about our emotional feeling to be here, our impression while studying here. And I'm here as a representative who is to share my friend feeling. My brother and my sister. First, I gonna to talk about our impression to study here at Ummul Aiman. For us, Ummul Aiman is the best school ever had in life. And this school has been a part of our life. And we believe that this school has shaped it into the character much better than before. And we believe that this school has made us from nobody to somebody. And it's all because the teacher there took with us to the right path, showing us what is the right, showing us what is the wrong. Without them, we cannot be who we are and where we are. My brother and my sister, blessed by Allah. Dear our teacher, we know we have made a lot of mistakes. The mistake that made you all angry, the mistake that made you all tired of us. We really want to apologize. Please forgive us for all our mistakes. Where have we done before? And dear our teacher, thank you very much for all your kindness you given us. Thank you very much for teaching us. And thank you very much for being our best teacher. It's really mean to us. May Allah reward your kindness. And also, we would like to especially thank Walid for all have you done to us. We will never forget for all listen in the morning. May Allah reward your kindness. My dear younger brother, we want to say, keep studying very hard and very well, because your future is depend on you. And dear younger brother, we really hope you all will be a very successful student, and we always miss you. We always in the moment. And dear my friend, I cannot be social. Without them, without you all, I was alone in this earth and in this boarding school. And the last thing that I want to remind is remember one thing. It is we are a santri, we put be a santri. I thank you for your attention. I do apologize for my mistake during my talk. I'd like to say sorry if there is likeness and mistakes. Finally, wallahu muwaffiq ila aqwamit tariq. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
يا عمري اللي راحت أحلامها وهام، إن كان ما ضمت يمينك يميني، يا وجدي انهب